I bought more yarn than I needed to. And here's where I got them from. So I've got quite a few projects on my list that I'm hoping to get through. And also I was just tempted because they're so pretty. So these I got from Hobbycraft. So these three are very similar. Put that there. They are all Flutterby, chunky, but in different colors. They are all super soft polyester, but I've got them in baby pink, fawn, and I can't see this one. Oh, this is completely different. This is actually Knitcraft Plushy Friends. It's a super chunky one as well, but this one is 100% polyester, and in the color, can't see, grey blue. So my hope is to use these three together to make a cushion. I think that'll be quite cozy, but with color work, which I've not actually explored too tough. So that will be an interesting learning curve. This was also from Hobbycraft, but it's 100% cotton. Now I'm hoping to work on a couple of bags, and this will come in very handy as part of the lining. I got this in another color as well, and it's called Sage, which should be here actually. Again, 100% cotton. So it's some of my newer stuff that I'm going to be working with. I've only recently started working with 100% cotton yarn, and I actually love it. It's a lot easier, I found, than working with acrylic, or maybe it's just because it's different, but I'm really enjoying it. I've been using a different hook for that as well, so maybe that's part of the reason I've been enjoying it so much. But yeah, so these two will be working on similar projects, 100% cotton in both. This is in Ecru and this is in Sage. So there's those two. And lastly, I've got this cable knit yarn. This I got from Home Bargains, and it was a lot more cost effective than the Hobbycraft bits actually. So I got it. I'm hoping to potentially use this for the backing of my cushion, so that it's in one solid color cable knit. Maybe I might change my mind, I'm not sure, but really happy to have it. So we'll see how that works out. But it is also a lot chunkier than I'm used to, so it should actually make progress a lot easier. So yeah, there's those. When it comes to crochet, this is the hook I've been using for my cotton yarn work. It's wooden, and I've found it to be so much more comfortable than my other hooks. Hence the reason I'm enjoying using the cotton yarn so much. So got that to look forward to. This is a wooden one in 6mm. So nifty little tool. I do also have a hook set that I've been using that has, everything's going everywhere, assorted sizes of hooks as well. A lot of them, I have to say, I've not actually had to use yet because they are quite tiny, and I'm not much of a micro knitter or crocheter even. But yeah, so I've got all of these to choose from depending on the size of the yarn. I find I'm normally working within the sort of 2.5 to 6 range, which is pretty much all of these, but I'm normally either sort of on the 2.5 or the 6, which is the wooden version. But yeah, nice range to have. But yeah, so I guess with these new bits that I've got, I need to sort out storage. I'm looking for ideas for yarn storage because mine isn't the most effective at the moment. Could definitely be better. So if you've got any ideas, by all means, please share. But yeah, a lot of projects I want to get through, ideally with these bits as well. So follow along and we can see if we can get these done. Thanks for watching.